So this is my drawing of the light-dependent reactions and light-independent reactions. On the left side is the light-dependent reaction, and the right side is the light-independent reaction. So for the light-dependent reaction, when a leaf captures sunlight or light energy, which is called a photon, it sends it to the photosystem 2. And along with that, the plant takes in H2O, and this H2O is split by the sunlight into 3 different things: hydrogen, oxygen, and electrons. These high-energy electrons are then passed from the photosystem 2 to the photosystem 1 through this chain of proteins called an electron transport chain. Along with that, plant cell also produces ATP, which is produced by ATP synthesis, which is basically pumping the positive hydrogen atoms into the thylakoid. So one of the waste products that occurs during this reaction is the O2, which is then released into the air because it's no longer needed in the cell. Along with that, another thing that occurs is other high energy electrons are sent down the same chain, where they are accepted by the NADPH positive, which ends up making NADPH. Both the NADPH and the ATP go to the independent reaction because they use those products to make sugar. And another thing that they need to make the sugar is CO2. The plant takes in CO2 from outside and uses it in the stroma to make sugars. After this reaction, the stroma not only produces sugar but also produces ADP and NADPH positive. And this is actually needed to continue the cycle, so it goes back over to the thylakoid to help with the light-dependent reaction. So it's a continuous circle between the two of them.